Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, introduce myself. My name is Amelia Putri, NPM 2341107. Today I will explain about the material individual differences in the workplace. Individual differences in the workplace. Individual differences in the workplace are normal because every person has different background, ability, and way of thinking. Differences are formed from natural factors like talent and intelligence, and also from environment like education, expression, and culture. In the workplace, this difference can be seen from how people communicate, their work style, how they solve problems, and their motivation in working. If is it if it is maintained well, individual difference can become strategies for the organization because it can bring creative idea and various disruptive in decision making. Definition and factor of individual difference. Individual difference are variation or characteristic that every employee has, such as personality, ability, values, and attitude. These differences are influenced by genetic, environment, and culture that shape how a person thinks and acts. For example, there are people who are more full, there are who work faster, and work are also who are more creative in finding solutions. All of this make every individual has their own role and activities in the workplace. Artinya pengertian dan faktor perbedaan individu. Perbedaan individu adalah variasi karakteristik yang dimiliki setiap karyawan, seperti kepribadian, kemampuan, nilai, dan sikap. Perbedaan ini berpengaruh oleh faktor genetik, lingkungan, dan budaya yang membentuk cara seseorang berpikir dan bertindak. Misalnya ada individu yang lebih teliti, ada yang lebih cepat bekerja, dan ada yang juga lebih kreatif dalam mencari solusi. Semua perbedaan ini membuat setiap individu memiliki peran dan keunggulan masing-masing di tempat kerja. From an impact of individual difference. Individual difference can be seen in many things like communication style, work style, and how to make decisions. Difference can give positive impact like increasing creativity, innovation, and better quality of decision because of many perspectives. But on the other side, it can also cause conflict, miscommunication, and difficulty in the work if there is no mutual understanding. So it is important for every individual to respect each other so difference do not become hambatan. International culture in the workplace. In the era of globalization, many companies work with people from different countries, so international culture become very important to address addressed international culture include differences in values, norms, habits, and way of thinking between individuals from different culture background. This difference can affect how people communicate, work, and the relationship between boss and employee. By addressing international culture, a person can work more actively in the diverse work environment, yang artinya budaya internasional di tempat kerja. Di era globalisasi, banyak perusahaan bekerja dengan orang dari berbagai negara, sehingga budaya internasional menjadi hal yang penting untuk dipahami. Budaya internasional mencakup perbedaan nilai, norma, kebiasaan, dan cara berpikir antar individu dari berbagai latar belakang budaya. Perbedaan ini dapat mempengaruhi cara komunikasi, bekerja, serta hubungan antar atasan dan bawahan. Dengan memahami budaya internasional, seseorang dapat bekerja lebih efektif dalam lingkungan kerja yang beragam. Oke, contoh dan pandangan budaya internasional. Perbedaan budaya dapat terlihat dari gaya komunikasi, pandangan terhadap waktu, dan sistem hierarki. Misalnya, budaya Barat cenderung langsung dalam berbicara, sedangkan budaya Asia lebih sopan dan tidak langsung. Tantangan yang sering muncul adalah perbedaan bahasa, kesalahpahaman budaya, dan perbedaan cara kerja. Hal ini dapat menghambat kerjasama jika tidak disikapi dengan baik dan penuh pengertian. Oke, terakhir, benefits and how to deal with international culture even to the are challenge. Culture diversity give many benefits like expanding global wawasan, increasing innovation, and helping companies to compete in global level. To deal with this it is needed to have open-minded attitude, respect difference, and clear communication. Also, the ability to adapt and understand other culture is very important so the work can run smoothly and effectively. Okay, thank you the explanation for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.